What if I told you a simple glass of lemon water each day could change your life? Sounds crazy, right? But what if it's true? We're diving deep into the world of lemon water, exploring its potential to transform your health over 30 days. Think of it as a fun experiment, a chance to see what all the fuss is about. Is it a magic potion? Not quite, but the potential benefits might just surprise you. So, buckle up, grab your favorite mug, and let's squeeze into this juicy topic. First things first, lemon water is a great way to hydrate. It's a refreshing alternative to plain water, making it easier to meet your daily hydration goals. We all know staying hydrated is key, and a little citrus can make it more appealing. The zesty flavor can encourage you to drink more throughout the day. But wait, there's more. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. This essential nutrient supports your immune system and helps your body fight off illnesses. Think of it as your body's personal bodyguard against those pesky free radicals. Vitamin C also promotes healthy skin by boosting collagen production. Some folks swear lemon water aids digestion, thanks to a little something called citric acid. This natural compound can help break down food and improve nutrient absorption. And who wouldn't want a happier gut? A well-functioning digestive system can lead to better overall health and well-being. Let's not forget about the weight loss claims. While lemon water alone won't melt away pounds, it could help curb cravings and keep you feeling fuller for longer periods. Incorporating lemon water into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle can be a small but effective step towards achieving your wellness goals. So why not give it a try? Now, before you go chugging lemon water like it's going out of style, let's talk potential downsides. Sure, it's refreshing and packed with vitamin C, but there's more to the story. Because, well, life is all about balance, right? One word: enamel. Your teeth's enamel is precious and needs protection. That's right, the acid in lemons can be tough on your pearly whites. Over time, it can erode the enamel, making your teeth more sensitive and prone to cavities. No need to panic, just rinse with water after your lemony beverage. This simple step can help neutralize the acid and protect your teeth. Frequent bathroom trips might also be in your future. It's not just a myth. Lemons are a natural diuretic. Lemons are a natural diuretic, meaning you'll be seeing your porcelain throne a bit more often. This can be a good thing for detoxing, but it can also be inconvenient. And hey, if you've got a sensitive stomach, too much lemon juice might not be your friend. The acidity can cause discomfort or even exacerbate conditions like acid reflux. Start slow and listen to your body. Moderation is key. Enjoy the benefits without overdoing it, and your body will thank you. Hold the fries. Imagine going 30 days without indulging in your favorite comfort foods. Now, let's get real for a second. This isn't just about cutting out fries or burgers. Drinking lemon water alone won't magically transform your health. It's a small piece of a much larger puzzle. It's all about the bigger picture, folks. A holistic approach to wellness. Think of it this way. If you're guzzling lemon water while still downing donuts and chips, you're missing the point entirely. What if, for the next 30 days, you cut out processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats? Imagine the difference it could make. Combine that with your daily dose of lemon water, and now we're talking. A real game changer for your health. Remember, true health comes from a holistic approach. It's not just about one change, but a series of mindful choices. It's about nourishing your body with whole foods, staying active, and managing stress. Embrace the journey to a healthier you. The verdict: is lemon water the elixir of life? So after 30 days of lemon-infused hydration, what's the final word? Well, it's not a miracle cure, but it can be a refreshing addition to a healthy lifestyle. You might notice improved digestion, glowing skin, and even a little pep in your step. Or maybe you'll just enjoy the zesty taste and the feeling of starting your day with a healthy habit. Either way, it's a win-win. Just remember to brush those pearly whites and maybe invest in a good bathroom reader. Join the lemon revolution. Ready to embark on your own 30-day lemon water journey? Tell us in the comments below. We want to hear all about your experience, the good, the bad, and the puckering. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Because let's face it, life's too short not to feel your best.